So let's see now. If we take into effect what kind of weather system passed through Alberta recently in the last 3 days, in the last week or so. In the last week or so, Alberta had monsoon like rains come down on Edmonton and Calgary, where it literally dumped a lot of rain on a sandy clay soil. So we have a sandy clay soil up here, and it literally does not retain water. So unfortunately, roadways became waterborne, and then basically basements became flooded, and people had to basically evacuate water out of their homes, and restoration companies were working their ass off to try to get this city back up and running again. But I mean, literally, this is what I'm saying. This is all the pools of water that developed around roadways that made lakes out of water, or out of roadways practically. So I would say that this is strange to see that kind of inclement weather show up, and the heavy rains plummet Alberta for 4 days straight. Leaves me to one thing: this situation. Mumbai. Have Mumbai's dry lakes have been affected by initial showers on the city? Means that Mumbai, wherever this place is in the world, was supposed to have its monsoon rain season kick in about maybe 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago, the monsoon rains were supposed to show up in this place called Mumbai in India. And basically what happened was the monsoon rains never showed up. So instead, the place ended up going into drought. But for some odd reason, the weather system that was supposed to bring the monsoon rains got sucked in by the jet stream and went right over China and right over Mongolia, eastern Russia, and then it went over Alaska and then went right on top of Saskatchewan, Alberta, and Manitoba. It dumped lots of rain on the prairies. We have to literally restore our basement because it got flooded. And like I say, it was up 2 feet of water practically. And I'm thinking, wait a minute. The rains that were supposed to hit Mumbai in India were supposed to actually be there a few weeks ago, ended up showing up in the prairie regions of Alberta and also Western Canada too. So I wonder, who is playing with weather satellites again, being a bunch of fanboys for Anonymous and showing off to the big leagues, I wonder. That begs the question as to why this situation happens here in Alberta